In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to make a full-width layout in Elementor. You might have noticed that sometimes your content doesn't fill the entire screen when you're building a page. Instead, it stays within a boxed area with some space on either side. A full-width layout allows your content to stretch from the left edge of the screen to the right, taking up the whole page. Let's explore a few ways to create this in Elementor. For instance, you might use the Elementor full-width page template or the Elementor canvas template. But in this video, we'll focus on using containers to create a full-width layout. Containers are essentially the building blocks of your page in Elementor. To begin, create a new container in the editor. Once you've added the container, its settings will pop up in the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on the Layout tab, where you'll find the Content Width option. By default, this option is set to box, meaning the content is contained within a fixed width area. You'll see empty space on both the left and right sides of the container. To have the container cover the whole page, click on the drop-down menu and choose Full Width. Now that you've set the container to full width, it'll stretch across the entire screen. You won't see any empty spaces on the sides, and any content you add will use the full width of the page. This approach is popular for sections like hero banners, large images, or landing page designs. And there you have it. You've successfully created a full-width layout using containers in Elementor.